Here I have VIVO Xshot, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation that device by using the VIVO settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's scroll down and choose more settings. Here you need to scroll down again and let's select backup and reset. From the following options, let's choose here erase all data. And here you can erase your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps and generated data when using the phone, or you can also erase music, pictures and other user data by choosing phone storage right here. So let me erase the phone storage and let's tap here reset phone, tap erase everything, and let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see, the hard reset is done, the welcome panel pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.